I don't know. I'm trying to spend the last of this shit on the smoke. I'm about to go cop. Man, if I spend that shit, if I get gas, I ain't gonna be able to cop that shit. But if I cop that shit, I can get home to go under my mattress and get some money out, go get some gas. And I can make it home with a little bit of gas. That ain't shit.
I think we should stop for gas.
Nah, yo, homie, you got some? What you got? Yeah. Yeah. Let me get some of that granddaddy cook. Let me off. Alright, good looking.
I left my pocketbook home.
Supermarket. Oh, fuck. We ran out of gas, nigga.
And I'm full.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yo, push this shit. Hey, get up. Yo, you hold on to the back of the bumper when you pushing it.
It's too heavy.
Nah, you ain't trying to carry. Hey, get up.
Oh my God.
Hold on. Don't worry about breaking your nails. That's all you. Come on now. How many times did you possibly fall? You gotta get this car to get this shit. Come on, don't push it into there. I don't want this shit dented.
What about me? My shit is all scraped on the ground.
I mean, we got a shower. I don't got no auto body shit in the house that I can fix my car. Man, oh yeah, looking, there ain't no gas station.
It's not cool how you get to stand up and I get to fall on the
We in the hood. The car costs too much money. You run out of gas. See gunshots?
I see.
You see it, right?
Yeah.
I told you.
No, you're right.
Yo, call this nigga. Oh, damn. You don't fuck with him no more. Oh, God. I forgot. Yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, pirate. Hey, yo, what's up? Can you give me some directions to the nearest gas station? I ran out of gas.
That's awesome.
Hey, that's awesome. Hey, yeah, awesome, dude. That shit was funny.